Okay, welcome back. Alright, so today we need to finish setting up everything for just the character being posted on itch.io. A few things I'll probably do off stream is account setup and creation, as well as the upload and updating to the GitHub. Um, After which I might do some documentation just to give me something that's less painful, as well as a code code review. Okay, so when menu is pressed, make this visible. Currently, testing is the main scene. If I add this control node, this scene. Okay, on it. Yeah, does hide. It's just placed so badly. 2D. That's not fine. Okay, this is going to be a problem. Oh, I should also make the controller stuff. Actually, no, not yet. Wait, why is this set up like this? Why is it so ugly? What does this let me do? Okay, I can just move them as I wish. This way? How does that look? Terrible. but inside this container I can't move them. They are more centered. It's just still bad. Um, Move list and numpad annotation, that's cut off. So at least 2 enters there. That made it worse? Sorry, what? Or was it? No, it was fine that way. It was just that I didn't full screen it. Yeah. Okay. Then how do I get it all to fit how I want it to? Because I can't seem to move them. Alignment, horizontal left, top left. Begin. Is that better? It's closer. If I do that, does that fix the misalignment? No, it brings it even closer to there. Okay. I don't understand. So top left is bad for the anchor here. What's your anchor? Layout. This should be the full display. This should be... We set the anchors? No. Top left. Right. Stop throwing the wrong seed. No. I don't know how to use this stuff, and it's really annoying. Ah, they should be attached to the player. There we go. That fixes the problem of the positioning of the thing. Or apparently not. So what? I know. No. Hmm. This is really confusing and I don't understand. Okay, so I want this to anchor on center. Anchor. Okay, but not like that. Right there we go. Right? Run it. You should be the child of the player, so why are you not there? I'm sorry? A little better, but still bad. The anchor is in the center, right? Let's do even the full one doesn't do it. Okay, I really don't know what the heck I'm doing here. How do I use control nodes and godot? I'm struggling. Do I have one that's like a godot? item to use them. Mm, to first make the UI move around the player as the aim player or the view or so that things are centered. Mm-hmm. Canvas layer. Make this the root. Mm. With the canvas layer out, so I need it follow the camera. I literally have it set. It's not following the camera. Should it be on the player? Mm, okay. I need to make a basic um step list that tells the player the controls and has some social stuff in the uh, some social stuff controls in the top left, social stuff in the bottom left. I need to just write out my prompts longer. I want it to follow the player so that it can be accessed when the menu button is pressed so that it can be seen anywhere. Um, uh, this UI is mainly so I can use mainly for a single character demo. I don't want to find that pausing. This is confusing, man. Not what I tried getting. Just verify that that way still. Yeah. And then it's like control full rectangle. Yeah. So it says panel, but I don't know what it means by panel. Okay, there's an actual panel thing. Did I delete them and not? I forgot to copy all of it. Let me put this in a text file somewhere. Just so I don't lose this before I get rid of it. Needs to be stored somewhere. Why is UI being hard today? This needs to be anchored. Bottom right. This needs to be anchored in the top left. This one, I said. Which it is. Okay, label. Get from the temporary. Mm-hmm. Any reason for these rounds specifically? Also, I did not using unlabeled. Does it have a reason for it? Mm. Yeah, I could do that. Keep it simple so that you can understand it. Anchor position. There you go. Okay. If enabled, the canvas layer maintains position while space. If disabled, the canvas stays on one fixed position on the screen. Okay, that's just wrong. That's just no. Don't do that. Don't name it like that. That's wrong. So much better. Can I copy this? Can I? Why can't I copy this? Okay. What do I do if I want people to be able to click a link or to copy Text BB code. Can you write out the code with the following text? I'll put in the links myself. I'll put in myself. Okay, let's go back to what we were before. So rich text. And extend it. Okay, and then 2D. This needs to be anchored to the bottom right. Okay, and then if I delete this, or before I delete it, actually, let's just hide it so I can see how this ends up looking. It's bad. Can it fit content on both ends? Like, um, problem with rich text. It wrapped badly. Fit content equals true, minimum size, and text server dot auto. It looks clickable. Okay. Wait a second. Is this like JavaScript or something? URL equals slash URL. Okay. Stop that. Add the colon to these, because I prefer the colons. Right. So this is the name. This is the spot to put. Okay, YouTube. URL equals this. Run it. Test it. Yo, it opened my YouTube channel. Nice. Alright. Then the other two. Twitch. And GitHub. Save. Run it. Test them both. They opened a new window for some reason. Okay, so that is me streaming, and this is the project. Cool. Okay, so that works. Did not need two enters. Save, which is able to hit here for this one. Okay. What's next? What's next? We're using os.shell. Open that up. Okay. So that's great. Buttons. Okay, now I need to figure out how I want to actually do the controls. Okay. Okay. Now I want to add some visual aids for the controls, uh, using both the controller and keyboard. Controllers for a controller. Let's just go on. This is cool, but I want something simpler. But for me, right now, I want something simple. Uh, just a generic controller image with some button. Mm, texture rectangle. And anchor it top right. Mm. Mm. Today is basically learning a UI system, I guess. So texture rectangle. Um, I can do. Let me just raw a simple controller or something. Start creating. Open. Nope. Creating new. Um, 512 by 512. Create. Um, let's draw some circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I change their size? Yeah, I didn't think so. Okay. Did not want 4, I wanted 3. Created, yep. Okay. The edge line's there. Edge line's there. The edge line's centered to that. A vertical up, vertical down. I think that's right then. Okay. Cool. And then add some text. Text, light. Oh, why is that? No. Fill color. Okay. L. Can I edit this text? Yes, yes I can. Okay. Why are you below? Oh, we should go below the text. Then this. I change the letter to H. I center it. I hope the controls aren't confusing. Hmm. Do I have joystick movement? I should test that. Plug in a controller. Just if it has it. Nope, I don't. Right. Does this work? Joystick axis right. Okay. So now if I run it, fireball works. Why is grappling not working? What is wrong with that? Agent, come on. Grappling hook. Attack manager. Grappling hook. Light kick. Project settings. Light kick. Well, it's more noticeable on joystick. And it's not infrequent enough that you won't get it when the jump grappling hook happens. Mm, right now I have no support for aerial special moves. That move list thing is gonna get massive. Um, I think just cause. What are you doing? Open. I think just cause I might actually go into projects, fightvaina, move list reformatting. I might just do it the entire thing. Because I don't want to have to deal with this thing too much and edit it too much. AC. Nah. Yeah. This is the current version. Can you add support for all 8 directions and aerial special moves? And air special moves should be separated from regular special moves. For all 8 directions, and add air special moves. Um, for all 8 directions on the ground and in air, and air special moves. Period. Air special moves should be separated from regular special moves. Um, for the menu view stuff, so it doesn't get cluttered. Same with the grounded and aerial directions. Aerial or directions. All 9 directions as in numpad. One to 9. We'll review this later. What was I working on before? I will not be fixing that problem right now. I want to finish this. Heavy text. Take this C, hold it here. change the letter to J for jump. JLH, and B would be, it'd be weird, but it is a thing. Hmm. Delete this layer. Okay. Neutral, down left, down right, left, right, up left, up right. So going in the order of the numpad, okay, cool. Except for 5 being literally not. Hmm. I might ask it to make this in order of numpad notation as well. Is there in the same separation order? Command normals, neutral normals. Is that what I do in the current move list? Because I don't think I do that. Really? Why? Why did I do this? Alright, I guess. That's a decision that I probably didn't need to do, but okay. Yeah, so this is going to be very confusing. Hopefully. Sorry, not hopefully. I don't want this to be hopefully confusing. This is confusing. Because I don't think a controller does that normally. But if I take this as is. Select all of them. I'm sorry, what? Why does that just break it all? Yeah? Also, this should not be here, it should be here. Is it because I touched the background layer as well? Yeah, there we go. That makes more sense. So that would be the buttons. Joystick or keypad to move. Your controller's usual menu button for menu. Okay, so uh, I can call these pad buttons with small text in white as well. They're both size 20 font, aren't they? Just, just wonderful. Except they've all been scaled. What is this? Oh, line spacing. Not 330. Of course, I can't just click D because I'm in the damn menu. One thing about numpad notation is that the phones don't use the keyboard numpad notation. Oh, wow. Okay. One of my friends is apparently outside of the country. That's a surprise. Save this as joypad control. Oh, that's most of the buttons. File, export as a PNG, export joypad controls, art, save. I need to go into Godot's file system, have it open along with that. Wait, that's the other monitor. Forgot about that. And then I need a file system. Go into the correct file system. Joypad controls, grab, add it in there, not in that location. Okay. Okay. And then let Godot back and go to edit this. Add the following texture. Go to the 2D, see what it looks like. Shrink it because it's too big. Keep size, scale. Scale is good. Keep size, ignore size. Wait a second. Ignore size. Can I keep it like the right size? If I just grid it. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Joypad slash or controller buttons. Escape from menu. Okay, I'd have to change these to be buttons, to be J or B. HB. And then I have to go like K equals L, O equals H. L equals L, thankfully. Or no, it equals J, which is worse. Ah, that's bad. Which is very bad. Oh no. C equals B. Yeah, no, that's really confusing. I will go to the bathroom while I reconsider this. All right. Okay. I may just say don't use a keyboard because that's really confusing. Okay, and block with B. Hmm. Technically and theoretically, if I add the new code for the move list, I think could technically cancel an aerial special move off of a grounded attack, so long as the actual player ends up off the ground. Which I think I've seen that happen. So like, there's some special moves that put you up into the air that you can then cancel into another special move, or some normals with like some certain extenders that put you into an airborne state. So I guess it's fine that way. Maybe. Why did they bring them up here? No. I have a thing in a PowerPoint somewhere. Uh, there it is. Okay. So I do have slides that would have the numpad hopefully in here. Yes. So I'll take this. Do I have my computer dead, just muted? Or why did I not hear the screenshot sound? Strange and confusing. Save. Um, Add another texture, rectangle. Okay. Anchor this one with oh, wait, no, I need to import it. Rename this to direct directions and numpad. I doubt Godot registered it. Right. Oh no, it hasn't. Okay. Why are they not overlaid on top of each other? Oh my goodness, that was stupid of me for this. increase the size to 55. That works for me. Add a space to these. Stretch it out enough. Line it a little edge. Yeah, what? What is that? What is that? Yeah, I don't know what that is. Okay. It concerns me, and I want it gone. Okay, and then this time, where did I put it? Where did it go? I deleted it. That's fine. Rename to um, numpad and direction. Okay. I think that there it actually somehow fits well enough. Wait, is there no like region thing here? It's gonna be off center, which is a little annoying, but alright. Okay, so that needs to be moved a little. This needs to be moved a little. Just some padding. So how would I affect it? I know I can do \n for a new line, and then for the longest one, I can add a few spaces for padding or a tab. Save there, run it a little better. The \n at the end didn't do anything. Okay. And then everything in here could get a tab button at least. Not see it in full screen. Sorry? Why is it doing that way? Oh, trim spaces before. No. No. That's really annoying. Duty. Does that work? Yeah. Okay. Okay. And then in a very, very big font, a single label. That I want placed here. I just aligned it actually in the anchor at bottom left. Increase the size. 2. Hide menu. Press escape on keyboard. This should be in ESC or your consoles or the menu button. Wow. Why'd you crash on me? I don't think I need this temp anymore. Amazing. I have lost a very small amount of progress. Okay, now add child node, enable, anchor, bottom left, to hide menu, press escape, or the menu button for your console, for your controller. Enable settings, font size, 50. No, that's line spacing. Gosh darn it. Font size 80 or 50, 40, Okay. Okay, let me test that this menu button thing works. Yep, works on controller, works on keyboard. Um, Let me go to the project's inputs, frame by frame mode. Um, I should press that. Enter, press F for a frame by frame mode with arrow keys to advance. There is no going backwards. Let me just not have this and just say controller. Um, Small screen, everything fits, which is nice. On full screen, everything also fits, and then there's some space for that stuff. Anything else I need to adjust? Numpad for reference. Did not have to move it down, okay. I have to press it to open everything. Hopefully people can decipher this. Okay, so let's go to the project settings, I believe. Not general. Window, display, maximized, or full screen actually, is preference. Okay, run it. Alright, also need to work on the primary sprite stuff, which I believe I wanted to put in primary, like, this player controller is actually kind of important, so I should put it. Yeah, I can understand why I wanted to reload that much. Cool, thanks for letting me know that I have the thing I can update. Hmm. Standing, crouch, and stuns. hide these from myself because I don't want to work on those right now. I have a crouch sprite, so I would like to use it. Okay, and then I'll see something similar to this. Player primary hurt boxes. I don't know if that's really the right thing to call this anymore. I don't think that's what the scene is called anymore. Yeah, primary hurt boxes and sprites. Yeah. Run it, or do we crash? Yep. Run it again. Okay. If I understood how to make a state machine, it might have been better to do it that way. Oh wait, and I have to know how to make state transitions too, which is also complicated. Okay, I need to make the sprite stuff actually do the thing of these two sprites. So, right now the scene doesn't have some sprites. Sprite 2D or texture? Just add sprites then. Texture, quick load, there's a standing, and then there's this crouching. Okay. Landing, crouch, remove the two. I said remove the two. I said remove the two. Crouch sprite. Okay. And then two. Then I need functions like this. Something like this twice. should look at sprite and animate sprite. Holidays animation is yeah, I don't know what to do, but let's yeah, I guess looking at things that distract me. Okay, so sprite thing, they both exist. The sprite functions. I need to make this. Colon. Okay. Then I need to do this, I think. It's just the append, I think. And then we do. Right now it's just the two sprites, so I'll do standing sprite and crouching sprite. Okay, what's next? So these functions now exist, and then if I go to the players script here, and I do the thing set box, set underscore sprite, this thing dot standing sprite, crouching sprite, and copy this line, standing sprite, run it. Ooh, sizes. Okay, maybe because I just didn't look at that? Yeah. wait, you know what? They're not. Everyone's just using the standings right now, then, I guess, because they don't set anything. But when I attack, it doesn't. Okay, that's annoying. That's a little annoying. Okay, let me change that to maximize, not full screen. That's minimize. That's maximize. There we go. Yeah, and then in the attack manager, it won't have a reference, or the input manager. Is it this sprite that has it? Yeah. Okay. Input manager has a reference to the player. Control F. No, Control F is attacking. Else for now, I guess. Player dot primary hitbox component dot set. No, not set. Disable all primary sprites. So if I'm attacking, it should disappear. Let me see that in frame by frame mode. It flashes and then flashes again. Okay, interesting. Does that first flash on one frame? That's the end of the attack. Yeah, when that happens, that's a flash on one frame. But the second one actually has a full blank frame. Yeah, it's noticeable, but it's like, this is a test thing. So, the flashing is pretty noticeable. Is that really something that's allowed? since it's always right. Huh. Didn't expect that to work. Okay. That's interesting. Wonder if there's something else I can do in here. Okay. Well, it's 5 o'clock, and I need to end the day. So, note for tomorrow. We have the sprite. I'd like to debug it, but I think actually I don't need to. It flashes, but yeah. So note for tomorrow. So this means player sprite is done, attacks are done, a menu is done, upload. So and if I check my Obsidian to-do list as well. Demo reduce scope, admin list, try to contact people, add/make control list, audio effects, social/channel, godot export, audio hit effect. Okay, so audio hit effect done. Yeah, so this is basically what I have left. Alright, I will see people tomorrow, maybe, if you guys exist or not. And it will be earlier than normal because I need to attend an event that I have planned to attend. So I'm going to be waking up early and streaming earlier instead.